In this video, we will go over inflatable hot tub chemicals and how to use them. Every inflatable hot tub requires water to be clean and healthy. Using the right chemicals will help achieve this. Which chemicals should be used? We recommend using bromine to disinfect the water in any inflatable hot tub. Whether you are using your inflatable hot tub all year round or only during the summer, it's important to make sure that it is sanitized in order to avoid harmful bacteria. This video will outline what each of the hot tub chemicals and why we use them in an inflatable hot tub or spa. After watching this video, you will know how to maintain your inflatable hot tub water and what chemicals to use. Here are 3 things you need for your inflatable hot tub. Number 1. Hot tub chemical tester. The test kit we use and recommend for any hot tub is a Taylor test kit. By far the biggest benefit of using Taylor test kits is that they use titration for testing accuracy. This is where you count the drops used, instead of relying on a visual color comparison as you see with test strips, which provides a larger range for miscalculation. The Taylor test kit determines the current chemical composition. With Taylor test kits you can buy tests individually or packaged together. We will link it down below in the description. Number 2. Hot tub chemicals. These are the chemicals you will need. pH increaser, pH decreaser, hot tub shock, hot tub sanitizer, and alkalinity increaser. pH adjusters will increase or decrease the water's acidity level. pH measures how acidic or alkaline or basic your water is on the pH scale. Low pH levels will also cause corrosive activity within your hot tub, damaging the hot tub's equipment and resulting in extra costs. When your hot tub water pH is too high, meaning basic, you might encounter cloudy water. You might also notice a buildup in scale that can accumulate along the water's surface due to calcium hardness that increases due to a high pH. Hot tub water sanitizers kill bacteria in the hot tub water. A hot tub sanitizer may come in various forms, but they basically have the same function, which is to keep the hot tub water germ-free and inhibits the growth of algae and other nasty microorganisms. Hot tub shock chemicals are used to keep your hot tub water clean and sanitary. It is also used to clear cloudy or smelly water and to kill bacteria and even algae. Alkalinity booster will buffer for your hot tub's pH level, allowing it to resist wild fluctuations in the water chemistry. These chemicals are used to keep the water clean and bacteria-free. There should be no flourishing bacteria that can trigger hot tub rashes. If you maintain clean water, it may help prolong the lifespan of your inflatable spa. You will need to do a minimal amount of testing before adding anything. You don't want to add more if there is too much sanitation in the hot tub water. Even then, you should only be adding it in moderation. Do the testing at least twice a week to make sure your water's chemistry is on the right level. Number 3. A spa wand. The spa wand is a simple, effective hand cleaning device for hot tubs. It is perfect for quickly and efficiently picking up sand, silt, vegetation, and other debris in your hot tub. Just a few easy, hand-powered strokes and debris is sucked into a built-in filter basket for easy removal from your hot tub without any hose or electricity required. We will put a link in the description. Next, let's go over the hot tub chemicals and what you should do to balance your hot tub water. pH and alkalinity. Would you soak in water that's acidic? Definitely not. High water acidity can cause damage even if it doesn't literally dissolve your skin. It may irritate the skin or eyes and damage your hair, among other things, and it'll shorten the life of your hot tub too. In addition, when your hot tub water is on the acidic side, your water sanitizers become less effective. That's why it's necessary to keep your pH level optimal to avoid this downward negative effects. The idea is that a high pH level means the water is on the alkaline side while a lower value means it's too acidic. pH increasers and pH decreasers are used to adjust your hot tub's water pH. Use a Taylor test kit to see if you have reached the neutral point. Your aim is not to make your hot tub water too alkaline, but to hit an optimal pH of 7.2 to 7.6. In case you ended up adding too much of the pH increaser, you can lower down the pH level by adding the pH decreaser. You can also add some water to the tub to get it back to optimal level. Water sanitizers. Sanitizers are very important in keeping a hot tub water clean. They are used to kill bacteria which can easily thrive in warm untreated water of a spa. Chlorine and bromine are the most commonly used sanitizing chemicals. They are both very effective, so choosing between the two is a matter of preference. In general, bromine is more expensive than chlorine. However, bromine does not leave that familiar chlorine smell and lasts longer. In addition, you need a much lesser quantity of bromine to keep your hot tub water clean than with chlorine. On the other hand, chlorine chemicals are a lot cheaper. It offers a much lower maintenance cost in the longer run. That is why this is widely used in public pools and spa centers. In case you have an allergic reaction to chlorine or want a more natural approach, a saltwater inflatable spa can treat the water with less chemicals. The system makes use of salt and converts it to a natural water sanitizer. When using chlorine or bromine as a sanitizer, make sure you are in range of the recommended parts per million. For chlorine, the range you want is 1 to 3 parts per million, and for bromine, it will be 3 to 5 parts per million. When adding any chemical to an inflatable hot tub, make sure you know how much water is in your hot tub. If you are unsure, check the owner's manual or use a water meter the next time you fill the hot tub. We have a video on this and will link the video above. Next is hot tub shock chemicals. These chemicals are your second line of defense against water contaminants. They destroy the impurities that were able to escape your standard water sanitizers. It can work best in clearing your body's substances, like dead skin particles, oils, lotions. It can also remove microorganisms and algae from water, which means that if you find your water cloudy even after adding your water sanitizers, what you need is a shock treatment. Keeping your spa water clean is essential to both the longevity of the hot tub and your health. It also allows you to enjoy it more without worrying. Inflatable hot tub owners should be knowledgeable about the chemicals that are needed to maintain their inflatable hot tub. How to balance your inflatable hot tub water. First, fill your hot tub using a water filter on the end of the hose. The water from your backyard hose contains a vast array of bacteria, chemicals, and toxic organic compounds that are harmful to you and your hot tub. Pre-filters are a simple and inexpensive solution to this problem. They attach to any standard garden hose to immediately provide fresher and cleaner water. Then, power up your inflatable hot tub and set your desired heat level. After the temperature gets above 80 Fahrenheit or 26 Celsius, you can test your hot tub water. Here are the test ranges you want to be in. For your chlorine, it should be between 1 to 3 parts per million. Bromine, 3 to 5 parts per million. pH, 7.2 to 7.6. Total alkalinity, 80 to 120 parts per million. And your calcium hardness should be 150 to 300 parts per million. If you had pH of 8, and your alkalinity was 150 ppm, you need to add pH decreaser to lower the pH and alkalinity. If you had pH of 7 and alkalinity at 120, you would add pH increaser to raise your pH. If you had pH of 7.5 and alkalinity at 160, you will add pH decreaser to lower the alkalinity. There's no chemical called alkalinity decreaser, so you will use the pH decreaser to lower the alkalinity whenever it's high. For your hot tub sanitizer, if you use a floater, you will have to remove it when the desired parts per million reading is reached. Otherwise, you will over-sanitize your hot tub's water. Even if you adjust the floater or dispenser, you cannot control fully the amount that is dissolved. After you have used your hot tub, throw a small amount of shock into the hot tub water and turn on the jets to circulate. This will keep the sanitation levels in check. Remember to leave the hot tub cover open for around 20 minutes when shocking your inflatable hot tub. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions on your inflatable hot tub, leave a comment below or email us at info@vippools.ca.